Hello, welcome to Miss Sonia's class. Happy to see you again. In our previous class, we talked about writing of letter R. Our topic for today is making the phonic sound of letter R and letter B. And we are also going to associate it with its corresponding objects. R, B, letter R, B. R, B. Now, what letter is this? Good, letter R, letter R, letter B. I'm sure you know this letter. Good, letter B, letter B. Now, let's see the following objects we can associate letter R and letter B with. And what is this? Good, apple. And this? Interesting, ants. And this? Ball, ball. Bag, bag. Now let's associate letter R and letter B with their corresponding objects. R as in apple. R as in apple. R as in ant. R as in ant. B as in ball. B as in ball. B as in bag. This will bring us to the end of this class. I'm sure you enjoyed the class. Good. I hope you have learned a lot today. Do not forget to attempt your quiz and do your assignment. Certainly, I'm going to see you in our next class. Bye.